like this?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Kids time!
Oh, yeah.
I don't think he heard us. We better say it loud. 1, 2, 3. Kids time!
Oh, hey, everybody.
Looks like we found the missing candles, Pasquale.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought these were for me. I'm so hungry. Oh, and I'm sorry about your
Brother. All right, Munch. We just have one more thing to do. It's time for all of us to sing Happy Birthday with our birthday rock stars. At the end of the song, blow out your candles, make a wish.